Today we're debunking 5 myths about phone repair. David here from The Fix by iCity Repair in the Bridgewater Commons Mall. Myth number 1, buying a new phone is cheaper than repairing it. It's actually not. Going to a local repair shop is usually more cost effective than actually going to your carrier or the other store and buying a whole new phone. It's more money up front, they lock you into a 2-year contract. Repairing your old phone is a great way to save the environment and to keep that phone going for multiple more years. And myth number 2, you'll lose all your data if you get your phone repaired. In my experience, when you fix a phone, data is really never lost. Changing a screen, a battery, or doing any kind of maintenance on it is pretty simple. It's like changing batteries in your remote control for your TV. Batteries out, new batteries in, and the TV still works. It's the same concept for your phone. Myth number 3, putting a phone in rice will fix water damage. Putting your phone in a bag of rice will not work. The phones are sealed with an adhesive, so they are water resistant for the most part. The rice cannot penetrate that to pull the moisture out from inside. And rice also can get stuck in the ear speaker and the charging port, which causes additional issues. So bring it to a professional who can carefully and professionally open your phone, then use their tools to remove all the water moisture inside, close it back up, and get it working for you. And myth number 4, it takes days to fix your phone. There's a common misconception that repairing your device takes hours or days, maybe if you do it at home on your own, but a professional can get it done in 30 minutes to an hour. And myth number 5, Gorilla Glass will not break ever. If your phone is made out of Gorilla Glass or your screen protector is made out of Gorilla Glass, that's wonderful, they work great, but they're not invincible and they still can break. So be aware of that. It's better to have one than to not have one. Hopefully all these tips have been really useful and helpful. Have a nice day.